First, download the extension from the links provided below. Once installed, open YouTube and click on Collect Channel. Make sure you are logged into YouTube with the account from which you want to transfer your subscriptions. Next, sign in with the account you want to transfer your subscriptions to and click the subscribe button. The extension will automatically open each channel and subscribe you to them. This process may take some time if you have a long subscription list. If you accidentally close the browser, or if the process is interrupted, don't worry. Simply click on the extension icon again and click the subscribe button to automatically resume the process. There is another method in this extension that is faster, but setting it up may require some additional work. This API method has more steps involved. For more information on the API method, you can check the link provided below. Additionally, this extension is open source, so you can view the source code and report any issues you encounter. Credit for this extension goes to the developer and its contributors. Support their work. Only use official links to download the extension. Here is the official link to the Chrome store. Just a quick reminder, we have created more useful videos like this one on our channel, so do check them out. We've also made a video about how to use AI to build your own website. Recently, we updated our site and built it from scratch using AI. If you want to support our work and help us upgrade from a potato laptop to a better editing PC, please support us by clicking on the donate button on our site or by clicking on the first link in the description below. This is our other channel, where we upload copyright-free music and songs featuring human-like vocals, created with the help of AI. It's quite remarkable. Make sure to check them out. The link is provided below. Thanks so much for your time. If you liked the video, please do subscribe. If you disliked it, please let us know in comments what we can improve. Have a good day!